Forget the golf course. The new benchmark for luxury living in Southwest Florida is lakeside lifestyle. So if you've been searching for a brand new home in Naples, Florida with nonstop vacation vibes, then this is Caymas and they are changing the game. Hi, I'm Jonathan with Team 239 here in Southwest Florida. As a new construction specialist, I get asked about Caymas all the time. So today, I'm going to take you for a tour of this outstanding stock development community here in Naples, Caymas. We'll look at the incredible amenities that are being developed, the location, and most importantly, we're going to compare the beautiful homes that both Stock and Pulte are constructing so that you can compare your options. So, what is Caymas? Well, it's a new gated community envisioned and developed by Stock Development, one of Southwest Florida's most respected luxury builders. It features over 800 homes and is located just southwest of I-75 and just on the east side of Collier Boulevard. The location gives you newer infrastructure and more space for amenities. But you need to know it's about a 20 to 25 minute drive to Naples' famous beaches and 30 to 35 to 40 minutes from the airport. The big concept here, it's a no-golf community that puts all of its focus on a vibrant, social, water-based lifestyle. Let's be honest, this is why everyone is talking about Caymas. An 18-acre, man-made lagoon with crystal clear water and sandy shores. You can swim, kayak, paddleboard, or just relax on the beach. It creates a Caribbean resort feel right in your neighborhood. The social hub is the spectacular lakefront clubhouse. Inside, you'll find a private restaurant and bar with indoor and outdoor seating overlooking the water. This is where community events, parties, and daily happy hours happen. For active residents, Caymas is a playground. There's a state-of-the-art fitness center, a yoga lawn, a full-service spa, and of course, pickleball. There are numerous courts along with tennis, a pro shop, and spaces for social clubs and activities. One appealing aspect of Caymas is that you have your choice of two exceptional builders, Stock Development and Pulte Homes. This gives you a fantastic variety of floor plans, design aesthetics, and price points. Let's break them down. First, Stock Development. As the master developer, Stock is offering luxury single-family homes on the larger lots, typically the 62, 76, and 90-foot wide properties. These homes are known for their expansive lanais, high level of customization, and upscale finishes. Think grand entrances, gourmet kitchens, and seamless indoor to outdoor living. If you're looking for a larger, more luxurious estate home in Caymas, you'll be looking at Stock. Next, we have Pulte Homes. A renowned national builder, Pulte is building on the 52-foot lots, offering their signature consumer-inspired home designs. These floor plans are known for being incredibly functional, with features like flexible living spaces and excellent storage. Pulte provides a fantastic opportunity to get into Caymas at a more accessible price point, without sacrificing quality or access to all the amazing amenities. So you have a clear choice. The more customizable luxury of Stock, or the incredible value and functional design of Pulte. Across both builders, homes range from around 1,900 square feet to over 4,000 square feet, with prices as of summer 2025 starting in the upper 700s and going well over $3 million for the largest Stock estates on the water. So who's falling in love with Caymas? Well, I see three main profiles. First, the non-golf resort seeker. You want the country club lifestyle, the dining, the fitness, the social events, but you'd rather spend your Saturday on a paddleboard instead of a golf course. Secondly would be the active socializer. You want to live in a community where it's easy to make friends and there's always something to do. You're going to be joining the pickleball league. You'll be attending wine tasting events and ultimately live in a place with a vibrant social fabric. Finally, rounding that out, we have the modern second homeowner. You'll want a new, low-maintenance vacation home where the amenities are so good, you'll never have to leave the gates. It's a lock-and-leave lifestyle with a guaranteed wow factor for visiting friends and family. Okay, let's get down to brass tacks and talk fees. Obviously, being in a resort-style community like this has its costs in order to maintain everything. You'll have monthly or quarterly HOA fees that cover the gate, common areas like the lawn and landscaping, and full access to the lagoon and all those amenities that we just explored. As of 2025, you can expect these to be in the range of $500 to $700 a month. Many new communities in this area, including Caymas, also have a CDD, which is a Community Development District fee, which is included in your annual property tax bill in order to pay for the community's infrastructure. So it's important to factor both of those aspects into your budget when planning a move. If the Caymas lifestyle sounds like a perfect fit, then my number one piece of advice for you is to have an experienced agent represent you. This is especially true in a multi-builder development such as Caymas. My role is to be your unbiased guide, helping you to compare the models, the incentives offered, and the timelines from both stock and Pulte in order to find the absolute best fit for you. The sales teams work for their respective builders. I work for you. I've also put together a free Caymas info packet with floor plans and site maps from both builders. You can download it instantly using the link in the description. And if you've enjoyed this tour, please hit that like button and subscribe for more community tours. We also, if you check out the Caymas playlist on our channel, have every floor plan recorded for you to explore. I hope you've enjoyed this. We're Team 239. I'm Jonathan. You'll also find our contact info. Please give us a call. Thank you so much for touring Caymas with me today. I'm Jonathan, and whether you're looking to build new or purchase a resale property, I'm here to help, so give me a call, and I'll see you in the next video.